Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're just going to be talking about this email that I just received from Tesla and see what kind of deals that they're having. So basically you can see Model Y rear-wheel drive is eligible for two new incentives. The Model Y long range rear-wheel drive offers an upgraded premium interior and more range with up to 357 miles estimated on a single charge, which is nice. Now through June 30th, 2025, which is the end of the quarter. I guess they need to boost themselves. You can lease Model Y long range rear wheel drive starting at $399 per month for 36 months with a down payment of only $1,000, which is awesome, right? And then here, or get 1.99% APR financing up to 72 months when you take delivery of a Model Y long range rear wheel drive by June 30th. Again, emphasize June 30th. The Tesla need to hit their quarter, right, of the sales. So they need to get rid of it. You need to place order, pick it up by June 30th, right? So let's go to Tesla.com and see what kind of deals they're talking about. No, we're not going to go there. All right, so let's order now. As you can see here, right, let's say go to the lease portion because that's what's mentioned. I think the difference between before and now is the down payment. Usually they require like about $3,000 to $4,000 down payment, right? And now you only do $1,000 down payment for 36 months, assuming you only want 10,000 miles range. Your payment is only $399, right? And then you have an option if you want to like all-wheel drive, you pay $100 more. Right, and all this is just basic. We're not looking into that one. Let's look into the details of the pricing and see what really is showing. So here, you can see right here, that's the price of the Model Y long range wheel drive. All these colors included, premium, all that. This one's for 30 days full self driving. If you use my referral code, which you will get 3 full months of full self driving. Right, which is nice. And the vehicle price, destination fees, and order fees added up to $46,630, and your lease payments there. But let's click on the edit leasing and terms, and we'll give you more details on this one. Right, so here you go. Right, this one you can play with this. You can make it like for someone who travels more than 10,000 miles a year. Let's say if you do 12,000. Let's see how much your monthly payment will be. It'll be $422. So about what, $22 more, and you get 2,000 miles more, right? Or what if you travel quite a bit? You want 15,000 miles, right? $445, right? And let's see if we're gonna play with the down payment wise. You know, it's always good to be on the low end of it, but what if we want to do a little bit more? I don't know if anyone want to do that, but you can, right? You can do that, and your monthly payment will go down, right? So if you have money and you want to lower your payment, let's say it's 5,000, right? 321, right? Nice. Click on that one. So, and let's see what if you want to buy the car, or or you lease the car, right? You loan it out. So this is how much. So you can see right here the APR. If you were to finance it for 72 months, that's quite a bit of time, but I guess now that's the average. So $4,000 down and 1.99%. This is really good deal. Only Tesla can offer this, right? Any credit union out there, not even close. All the banks out there will charge you an arm and leg. Like you're looking at about the 7 to 10%, right? Or like you go like a smaller dealership might charge you maybe 13-14%. So even if you go to like, check this out, like, this is excellent credit with Tesla, 5.54%. This is promotional rate, so that's where you get 1.99%. Yeah, so right now I think, I'm not sure, towards the end of June there would be more saving or more incentives. I think that there will be, because that's what Tesla usually they do that quite a bit. So whether they're gonna give 5 months of free supercharging, 12 months, 2 years, 10,000 miles. It happened before back in 2022 when I bought my Tesla. I did get a 2 free years of supercharging. Right, I ended up not using all of it, but still, it's good to know that you have free. It's some kind of incentive that will push all of their cars, to be sold because they need to meet the quota, right? Otherwise, it's not going to be good. So let's see if they have a lot of inventory. So let's see. The last time I checked, I didn't see any more. The launch series, I guess, is all sold out. All gone. So no more launch series, guys. So it's gone for good. So now you have Model Y here. These are all brand new ones. Last time I did see some discount on the Model Y on the demo too, like 800, I think up to 1,000. But I guess now there's no more incentive. There's no more inventory discount. Oh, here it is. They're still here. This one is what has a 1,600 miles reduced, $870. If you don't mind the miles, and with the savings you're getting, or if you're the type of person that you want to be the first one, you want a brand new car, only 10 miles on the odometer, then get the other ones. Yeah, but yeah, there's still some discounts here. I don't know, most maybe 1,100, but sometimes you might want to check, okay, because look for the condition of it, because the more that they have, usually like some kind of repair or damage that they did to it, and the good thing is Tesla will disclose that. This one here about $1,000 price adjustment. So if we go to the very bottom of it, it probably tells us some things to it right here. Here it says like meets Tesla cosmetic and mechanical standard. So it didn't say repair, but I don't know. Check it out, right? So yeah, once again, if you like Tesla and you're gonna buy a Tesla, you might as well use my referral code for the 3 month of full self driving. But other than that, thank you for the people that are using my referral code. Thank you very much, and thank you for supporting the channel. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.